What if I told you that you can grow the sweetest watermelons right in your own home, with almost no space, no garden, and almost no cost? I did it. And today I'm going to show you exactly how, from seed to harvest, step by step. Everything starts with the seeds. I took fresh seeds straight from a ripe watermelon, then dried them in partial shade. Not full sun, not full shadow. This simple step makes all the difference in germination success. Next, I prepared my growing trays with moist soil and planted the seeds by gently pressing them in. After planting, I kept them in the shade until they began to sprout, then gradually introduced them to sunlight. Within just 2 weeks, the seedlings were pushing through the soil beautifully. For the growing container, I used a 30-liter pot, large enough for 2 to 3 plants. Inside the pot, I placed a special bottle with holes in it, like a strainer. This is my secret weapon. I fill it with vegetable peels as natural fertilizer, but only once the plant starts flowering. The water I add to the pot also passes through the bottle, helping the peels break down faster and feed the plant naturally. Now, pruning is critical. I remove all the side shoots from the bottom, keeping only the main stem. This allows the plant to direct all its energy upward into producing fruit. I also set up support strings so the plant can climb. And once the watermelons start forming, I place mesh nets around each fruit so they don't fall and break the stem under their own weight. For watering, drip irrigation is the best method. I water only when the soil surface is dry. Never flood the plant. Consistency is key. When it comes to pollination, this is where many people fail. If your small watermelons turn yellow and fall off, that is a pollination problem. Simply take pollen from a male flower and gently transfer it to a female flower by hand. The female flower has a tiny fruit at its base. The male doesn't. That's how you tell them apart. And the result? Look at this. A perfectly ripe, deep red, naturally sweet watermelon, grown entirely at home, in a pot, with vegetable peel fertilizer and drip irrigation. No chemicals, no garden, just patience and the right technique. Growing your own food is one of the most rewarding things you can do, and it's easier than you think. If you want to see more home-growing guides like this one, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I share new techniques to help you grow more at home. See you in the next one.